In this video, we'll walk you through the assembly process of the SuperHandy Explorer mobility scooter. Unbox the package and remove all the contents from the box. Start by assembling the front wheels. Place one flat washer on the shaft, then the wheel, then another flat washer, and a nut. Completely tighten the nut, and then repeat these steps on the other side. Once both wheels are secured, let's assemble the LED light. Align the light with the metal hook on the handlebar. Insert the bolt, and then tighten the nut. Next, unfold the scooter. Insert the D-pin through the main frame. This locks the scooter assembly in place. Attach the seat stand to the seat using 4 bolts. Make sure the bolts are tight to ensure a smooth ride. Insert the seat assembly into the main frame. Then close and tighten the post clamps. After charging, install one of the included batteries into the main battery housing and keep the spare in the underseat storage container. Adjust the handlebar to your desired angle and height. Lastly, install the front